Good morning, students. Today also we are going to discuss about some models in trigonometric ratios. Let us know the first one. Remove alpha and beta. What students? Eliminate the alpha and beta. So here, students, x equal to is given that r cos alpha cos beta. Y is the r cos alpha sin beta. Then z is the r sin alpha. Dear students, what do we find? We have to find x square, dear students, plus y square plus z square. Dear students, the x square is r square cos square alpha cos square beta. Dear students, y square is the r square cos square alpha sin square beta. Okay, students. Now z square is the students r square sin square alpha. Dear students, which is the common in the first two terms? R square cos square alpha is the common. Therefore, students, we have to take the common is r square cos square alpha. What is the common, students? R square cos square alpha. Now this is the students cos square beta, okay, plus sin square beta. Okay, students, cos square beta plus sin square beta plus r square into sin square of alpha. Dear students, this is r square cos square alpha. Cos square beta plus sin square beta value is the 1. Therefore, now this is students r square cos square alpha plus r square sin square of alpha. Dear students, r square into is there cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Cos square alpha plus sin square of alpha. This is the students r square. Now we can, this is the value. Okay, students. Now in this we can observe, we can remove the alpha and beta. Write down, students. So this is called elimination method. Okay, students. This is called the r square. R square is the cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is the 1. Okay, students. How to complete this one? First you can x square plus y square plus z square. We have to take the r square cos square alpha in the first two terms. Then it will be the 1. After we taking the common factor r square, then it will be the 1. Therefore, r square is the answer. Dear students, eliminate theta from the equations. X equal to tan theta plus cot theta and y is the secant theta minus cos theta. Dear students, first we take x equal to tan theta plus cot theta. Dear students, we can written as x equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is the cos theta by sin theta. Okay, students. So here eliminate theta from the equations tan theta plus cot theta and y equal to secant theta minus cos theta. Dear students, we can write sin is the tan is the sin theta by cos theta. Okay, students. Cot theta is the cos theta by sin theta. Dear students, now x equal to, dear students, when we are taking the LCM, sin theta into cos theta, this is sin into sin square theta. Okay, students, cos into cos square theta. Dear students, x equal to 1 is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta. Okay, students. Now what is the given that y, students? The y is given by secant theta minus cos theta. Dear students, y equal to secant theta we can written as 1 by cos theta minus of cos theta minus of cos theta. Dear students, secant is the reciprocal of cos. Now we are taking the LCM is cos theta. Dear students, 1 minus cos into cos is the cos square theta. Therefore, y equal to 1 minus cos square is students sin square theta by cos theta. Okay students, y is the 1 minus cos square is the sin square theta by cos theta. Dear students, this is the y, this is the x. Dear students, when we can square here, this is the sin square, these two are cancelled. Okay students, first we can find x square into y. What students? We can find x square into y. X square is the, dear students, 1 by sin square theta cos square theta. What is students? X square is 1 by sin square theta cos square theta. Now y is the students sin square theta by cos theta. Dear student, this is the 1 by cos cube theta. These two are cancelled, 1 by cos cube theta. Dear students, now we are taking x into y square. What is the x students? 1 by sin theta cos theta. 1 upon sin theta cos theta. Y square is students, that is sin power 4 theta by cos square theta. Y square is sin power 4 cos square. Now, how to write the students here? This can be written as, how to write? This is nothing but, dear students, secant cube theta. Dear students, the xy square equal to 1 time sin cancel, that is sin cube theta by cos cube theta. Dear students, this is tan cube theta. Dear students, what we observe, secant cube is there, here tan cube is there. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Therefore, students, we are taking x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3, that equals to, dear students, the secant cube whole power 2 by 3 minus tan cube theta whole power 2 by 3. Are you understand students? Secant cube whole power 2 by 3, tan cube whole power 2 by 3. This can be written as the students secant square theta minus of tan square theta, cube cancel. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is the 1. This is students x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 equals to 1. Okay students, this is the answer, x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1. Okay students. Dear students, eliminate theta. First, x equal to a cos cube theta, that is students x by a equal to cos cube theta. Similarly students, y by b is the sin cube theta. Dear students, we have to know that cos square theta plus sin square theta. What students? Cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Dear students, we can take cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. This is the, on both sides we are taking the 2 by 3. X by a whole power 2 by 3. This is students cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3 equal to students cos square theta. Dear students, similarly, what is students? Similarly, we can write y by b whole power 2 by 3, we got sin square theta. Okay students. Now we know that students cos square theta, we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. Dear students, the cos square theta is here, the x by a whole power 2 by 3, y by b whole power 2 by 3 equals to 1. Equals to 1. Dear students, suppose if you are confusing here, then you can take any angle. Suppose a equal to some value and b equal to some value, and also we have to take the substitution also. Theta which be you can substitute either 45 or 60, define angles. Okay students, then you can proceed. Undoubtedly we got the verify the options also. Okay students, that is for the objective method. You can take, suppose these are the simplest equations, don't take substitution. If the equation is lengthy, undoubtedly we have to take the substitution method. Okay students, dear students, eliminate theta. X equal to cot theta plus cos theta, y equal to cot theta minus cos theta. Then we prove that x square minus y square whole square equal to, options are given that, suppose 4xy, 2xy, 16xy, none of these. How to prove that students? So x square first you can, after then minus y square whole square, then you will got this one. Suppose if you are facing the difficulty, then you can take the define angle. What students? We take the define angle. That means students, if you take in theta equals to 45 degrees. What is the students? Cot 45 1. This is the 1 by root 2. We got the root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Similarly students, what is this one? Minus 1 by root 2. Dear student, this is the root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay students, now the x square. What is the x square students? X square is the left hand side is there. X square minus y square whole square is there. Dear students, x square is the, simply we can write x square is, this is students a square b square is the 3. 2ab is the 2 root 2 by 2. This is the x square. Now students, y square is similarly students, y square is the 3 minus 2 root 2 by 2. Dear student, is there x square minus y square. When the denominators are equal, now adding the numerators. Dear students, these two are cancelled. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 by 2 is the 3. Okay students, what we got here? 3 plus, is there between minus. So when it is a minus, undoubtedly students, x square minus y square. X square minus y square means students subtraction. So subtraction is the students, that is 3 plus 2 root 2 by 2, 3 minus 2 root 2 by 2. X square minus y square will be what students? The x square minus y square will be, we got, this is 3 cancel. 3 cancel. Dear students, 3 cancel. Minus of minus plus. 4 root 2 by 2. This is the 2 root 2. Dear students, is there x square minus y square whole square is the 8. What students we got? 8 is the value. Now the options is, what is the option is 16xy. 16xy. Suppose is given 16xy, 4xy, 2xy, some options. Therefore now we have to substitute in the options also. This is the student 16 into x into y. This is the product. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b students, a square minus b square, that is the 2 minus 1, upon root 2 into root 2 is the 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So dear students, if you are facing the general process in the difficulty, undoubtedly we have to substituting the define angle. That means suppose we have to take 0, cot 0 is undefined. So first you are taking the define angle for theta. After it is substitute in the question and options. We are substituting the question and options. Which option is the suitable? That is our observation. Okay students. Now I will explain one more question. Dear students, cosecant theta minus sin theta. We know that student cosecant is the reciprocal of sine minus sin theta equal to a cube. Okay students, after we take the LCM is sin theta. This is students 1 sin square theta equal to a cube. Okay students, now 1 minus sin square theta students, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta upon sin theta equal to a cube. What students? Equal to a cube. Dear students, this is the cos square theta by sin theta into a cube. Okay students, now dear students, what my observation is, here this is there, cos a cube is there. Okay students, now this will be sending to the other side. Dear students, cos power 2 by 3 theta sin power 1 by 3 theta equal to a. Is there students? A square, this is into a square a power 4. Now once squaring on both sides students, this is you got cos power 4 by theta sin power 2 by 3 theta equal to a square. Okay students, 2 into 2 4, this is the 2. After then again squaring on both sides students, again squaring on both sides, cos power 8 by 3 theta, 2 4s are 8, sin power 2 2s are 4 equal to a power 4. Dear students, similarly we can complete like this. The reciprocal of cos is the secant is the cos minus cos theta equals to b cube. Okay students, dear students, we are taking cos theta is the LCM, 1 minus cos into cos, cos square theta equal to b cube. Dear students, 1 minus cos square theta is the sin square theta by cos theta equal to b cube. Dear students, now sin power 2 by 3 theta cos power 1 by 3 theta equal to b. Taking on both sides power 1 by 3. 3 cancel. Now squaring on both sides. Dear students, when you can squaring on both sides, this is sin power 4. This is cos power 2 by 3 theta b square. Now students, again squaring on both sides. 2 4s are 8. Dear students, 2 2s are 4 equal to b power 4. Now students, is there a power 4 b square? What is students? A power 4 b square. Dear students, first we find a power 4 b square. What is the students? A power 4 b square product of this. How to write the students? A power 4 is the cos power 8 by 3. Now students, sin power 4 by 3, that is the a power 4. Now b square is the students, b square is sin power 4 by 3. Dear students, cos power 2 by 3 is the b square. Dear students, these two are cancelled. Sin power 4 by 3 theta, these are cancelled. Now students, 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3. 8 minus 2 is the 6. 6 by 3. What students? 6 by 3 is the 2. Dear students, we got here, this is cos square theta. Dear students, similarly we can find the value of a square into b power 4. A square into b power 4. What is the students? A square? A square is the students cos power 4 by 3 theta. This is cos power 4 by 3 theta. Now students, sin power 2 by 3 theta. Okay, that is the a square. Now b power 4 is Dear students, b power 4 is the sine power 8 by 3 theta upon cos power 4 by 3 theta. Dear students, now cos's are cancelled. We get sine square theta. Dear students, we have to know that adding these two, cos square theta plus sine square theta is the 1. Dear students, we can write a power 4 b square, a square b power 4 is the students cos square theta plus sine square theta. Now we remove the theta. Okay students, now we taking the common is the a square b square. Dear student, is there remaining a square, here the b square equal to 1. Dear students, write down. Dear students, now find the value of sine pi by 4, sine 45, sine 3 pi by 4 and so on, sine of 7 pi by 4. Dear students, first you can write sine pi by 4, sine 3 pi by 4, sorry, sine of pi by 4, sine pi by 2, this is the sine of 3 pi by 4, this is the student sine of 4 pi by 4. Here students, the second term students, pi by 2 is there. This can be written as also pi by 4, 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 4 pi by 4, sine 5 pi by 4, sine 6 pi by 4, sine of 7 pi by 4. Dear students, we have to know that students, this is a complete the product. When you can cancel here, what is the value of sine 180 students? This will answer is the 0, since we have to know that sine pi 0. Yes or no students? Sine 0 0, sine 0, sine pi, sine 2 pi, sine 3 pi, sine 4 pi, sine n pi, these are all 0 students. Okay, sine n pi is the 0, n belongs to the n integer. Sine 0, sine pi, sine 2 pi, sine 3 pi, sine n pi is the 0. Since suppose if you don't know, we can write 90 plus 90. Okay students, this is the 90 plus 90. In second quadrant, sine positive, cos of 90, cos 90 is the 0. Okay student, the complete solution is the simply 0. Okay students, after then we can find the students, how to find the students, log 1, then find the value of dear students log 1. What is the solution? Log of tan 1 dear students, what is the question? Find the value of sine pi by 4, sine of pi by 2 and so on, sine of 7 pi by 4 is only. I think I can find the value of theta something. Theta is not there here. Only find the value of sine pi by 4, sine pi by 2, sine of 7 pi by 4. It will be 0. Now the another question students, find the value of log of tan 1. After that, log of tan 2 and so on. You can write, dear students, what we write? Find the value of log of tan 1 plus log of tan 2 degrees, log of tan 3 and so on, log of tan 89 degrees. What students? Tan of 89. Dear students, how can you find that one? We have to know that students, log A plus log B plus log C is the log ABC. Log A plus log B plus log C, log ABC. Dear students, how can you find this one? How can you find this one? So dear students, we have to know that log A plus log B plus log C is the log of ABC. Dear students, we can written as this is log of log A plus log B plus log C and so on is the log of ABC. Dear students, you can write log of tan 1. This is the tan 2, tan 3, tan of 89. What students? Log A plus log B plus log C and so on is the log A, B, C and so on. After we can written as students logarithm of tan 1 into tan 89. Then you can write students tan 2 into tan 88 and so on students. The final one is the tan of 45. Dear students, just one minute here. When you can take A plus B equal to 90 degrees. Dear students, A is the 1, B is the 89. A is the 2, B is the 88. Dear students, when A plus B is the 90 degrees, we have to know that students, tan A into tan B, tan A into tan B is the students, undoubtedly that is the 1. Dear students, we can write tan A into tan B is the students 90 minus of A. Therefore, tan A into tan B. B is the 90 minus of A. Dear students, we can written as the tan A. Tan 90 minus A is the cot A. What students? Tan 90 minus A is the cot A. First quadrant tan is positive. Therefore, tan A, tan B is the 90 minus A. Tan 90 minus A is the cot A. Therefore, tan cot is the reciprocal of tan, that is 1 by tan A. So, dear students, when A plus B, sum of the angles is 90, A is the 1, this is log of, we can write 1. After, this is the A, this is the B, tan A into tan B, okay, 1. This is, you can 2, this is 88, 90 minus 2, that is the cot 2, 2 cancel, tan 2, cot 2 cancel 1. And so on, tan 45, 1. Dear students, we can written as 1 into 1 into 1, 1. The log 1 is the 0. What is the students? Log 1 value is the 0. Write down students. Dear students, tan square theta. What students? Tan square theta equal to 1 minus e square is given that. So now we have to find the students. What we find? Secant theta, tan cube theta, cosecant theta. What students? Secant theta, tan cube theta, cosecant theta. Students, secant we know that 1 by cos theta. Sin cube theta by cos cube theta is the tan cube theta. So students, reciprocal of the cosecant is the 1 by sin. Okay students. Now students, here the 1 by cos theta. Okay, when you are taking the 1 by cos theta is the common students, is there plus 1 plus. Here one time cancel. One time cancel is there sin square theta. Already we take the one time cos. Now the remaining is sin square theta by cos square theta is the students tan square theta. Are you understand students? Here one time sin cancel, sin square by cos square is the tan square. So dear students, now the reciprocal of cos is secant. We have to know that 1 plus tan square theta is the form. 1 plus tan square theta is the secant square theta. Dear students, we can, this is written as secant cube theta. What students, we can written this is secant into secant square is the secant cube theta. Dear students, tan square theta is value, this is the value of tan square theta 1 minus e square. We have to know that students, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. First you can write this is secant square theta. Dear students, we can written this as secant square theta whole power 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Secant whole power secant square theta whole power 3 by 2. 2 cancel. Dear students, secant square theta, we know that students 1 plus tan square theta whole power 3 by 2. What students? Secant square theta is the 1 plus tan square theta whole power 3 by 2. Dear students, the value of tan square theta we can written as 1 plus the tan square theta is the value, dear students, 1 minus e square whole power 3 by 2. Dear students, we can written as 2 minus e square. This is the 1 plus 1 is the 2. 2 minus e square whole power 3 by 2. Okay students, this is the solution. 1 plus 1 is the 2. 2 minus e square whole power 3 by 2. Write down students. Dear students, secant A plus tan A into secant B plus tan B, secant C plus tan C equal to secant A minus tan A, secant B minus tan B, secant C minus tan C is given that K, then the value of K. Dear students, its solution is we have to find the value of K. First we taking K square, that equal to we can write K into K. What is the K students? First we K this one. We have to take secant A tan A. After you can take secant B plus tan B, secant C plus tan C. This is the K. And another K is the students, you can write secant A minus tan A, secant B minus tan B, secant C minus tan C. Now this is the students a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. What students? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Secant square a minus tan square a 1. This is the a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. This is also 1. This is a plus b into a minus b. This is also 1. Dear students, k equal to plus or minus 1. What students? This is the k square equal to 1, k equal to root of 1, then it will be the plus or minus 1. Okay students, k equal to plus or minus 1. Write down students. Dear students, x and y and z are given that, then we have to find the x, y, z. In the options x, y, z is given that students, x, y, z equal to x plus y plus z, one of them, and another one is also students xy plus z. So the xy z equal to, dear students, x plus y plus z and xy plus z. These are correct. How to complete this one students? So the sigma notation is given that. Dear students, when given that sigma, we have to know that sigma is the plus, pi is the into. Therefore, how to write the students? How to find the x is? Write down students. The x is the, when we are taking the n is the 0, 1. N equal to 1 cos square theta. When if you taking n equal to 2 cos power 4 theta up to infinity. Dear students, we can observe here, this is the infinite GP. Infinite GP. So we have to know that for the S infinity, we have to know that students, a by 1 minus r. A is the 1, 1 minus r is the cos square theta. This is the cos square theta. Dear students, what you can understand? 1 minus r. R is the cos square. Cos square into cos square, cos power 4. Cos power 4 into cos square, cos power 8. Dear students, 1 plus cos square. Cos square into cos square, cos power 4. Cos power 4 into cos square, cos power 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Therefore, dear student, this is 1 minus cos square theta is the sin square theta. Similarly, students, y equal to 1 plus sin square, sin power 4, sin power 6 and so on. This is also 1 minus sin square theta. This is the students. 1 minus sin square theta is the students cos square theta. What students? Cos square theta. Okay. Now students, the another one is z is there students. How can you write the z students? 1 plus, when we are taking the 1, that is the cos square theta sine square theta. After this is students cos power 4 theta, sine power 4 theta, and so on infinity. This is also students a by 1 minus r. 1 minus r is the cos square theta, sine square theta. So dear students, now we can written as how to write this one. So x, y, z. What is the students? X, y, z. The x, y, z is the 1 into sine square theta, cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta, sine square theta. Okay students, what you can understand? X into y, this is the students 1 into 1 into 1. Sine square, cos square, 1 minus cos square, sine square. Dear students, after that one and the another observation from the options, x plus y plus z. What students? X plus y plus z. X is the students 1 by sine square theta. Okay students. Y is the students 1 by cos square theta. Z is the students 1 minus cos square theta into sine square theta. Dear student, first we take the LCM is first two terms. This is the LCM is students sine square theta, cos square theta. Then you can write this is students cos square theta plus sine square theta. Okay students, what is the last one? 1 minus cos square theta into sine square theta. Then you can write students the numerator value is the 1. 1 upon sine square theta. What is the students? LCM is sine square theta into cos square theta LCM. LCM is the sine square into cos square. This is the cos square, this is the sine square. This is the 1. LCM is the students sine square theta, cos square theta. 1 upon 1 minus cos square theta into sine square theta. Okay students, now again taking the LCM is this one. How to write the students? The LCM is the sine square theta, cos square theta into 1 minus of cos square theta into sine square theta. Now this is multiple with here 1 minus sine square theta into cos square theta. Now this is the students sine square theta into cos square theta. These two are cancelled. What got students? 1 by sine square cos square into 1 minus cos square sine square. That is equal to x, y, z. Okay students. And one more thing is students, this is you can write x plus y, z. This is the students when you can write x, y. Dear students, one more thing. The another option is there x, y plus z. X into y, what is the students? X into y, this is 1 into 1, 1 by sine square theta, cos square theta. After what is the z students? Just now we find 1 minus cos square theta, sine square theta. Then we can take the LCM these two. This is cross multiplication with this one. Again these two are cancelled. 1 minus we got sine square theta, cos square theta into 1 minus of cos square theta into sine square theta. Dear students, this is also xyz. xy plus z equal to xyz. And also students, what we got? X plus y plus z is also xyz. Therefore students, the xyz equal to x plus y plus z or xy plus z. Okay students, this is we are taking the formula in this case only infinite gp. Infinite gp in the progressions we have to know that a plus ar square and so on is the a by 1 minus r. Here students, a is the 1, r is the cos square theta. S infinity we know that a by 1 minus r. Okay students. Dear students, if x equal to students sine 1 and y is the students sine 1 degree. Here what you can observe, students, x is the sine 1 and y is the sine 1 degrees. Dear students, so options are given that x equal to y, x less than y. What are the options, students? The first option is the x less than y, second option is the x greater than y, third option is the x equal to y, fourth one is the none of these. So dear students, we can know that the x equal to sine 1 is given that the sine 1 is the radian. In the degrees, 57 degrees, we have to know that 16 minutes 22 seconds. Okay students, what is the 1 radian? The 1 radian is the, students, 57 degrees 16 minutes 22 seconds. So where the y is the, students, sine 1 degree. So sine is the increasing function, students. We have to know that in between 0 to 90, students, the sine 90 value is the 1. So sine 91, this is the increasing function. Sine 0 0. What is the, students? Sine 0 0. Sine 91. After that you can return, students, this is the 5 pi. This is again decreasing in between 90 to pi. So we can write this is the graph of the sine. Sine 0 0, sine 91, sine pi 0, sine pi 0. Okay students, so this is the answer. So what is the, dear students, sine 57 degrees. Suppose we are taking the 57 is here, this is like this, 1 degree is like this, 1 degree 57 degree. So which is the greater than? 57 is the greater than. Dear students, here we can write x is greater than y. This is the suitable option. Okay students, for suppose cos is there, undoubtedly x less than y, because cos is the decreasing function in the interval 0 to 90. We have to know that cos 90 value is the 0, but cos 0 is the 1. What is the graph in between cos? This is the 0, this is the 90. Cos 0 is the 1, cos 90 is the 0. This is the graph in between 0 to 90. Okay students, so this is the cos graph. Okay dear students, just I am writing the graph of the sin x, just 1 minute after we complete the class today. The sin x, suppose we are students, we are taking here, this is like this, minus 180, minus 90, 0, sin 90, sin pi, suppose. So sin 0 0, sin 90, students, 1, sin pi 0, sin minus pi is also 0, sin minus 90 1, like this students. This is, you can write after that, you can like this. Okay students, like this. This is the graph of the sin x. Okay students, the maximum value is the 1 and minimum value is the minus 1. The maximum value of the sin x, what is the, students? The maximum value of the sin x is the 1. The minimum value of the sin x is the minus 1. Similarly, cos x is also. The maximum value of cos x is the 1. The minimum value of the cos x is the minus 1. So the range of sin and cos, the range of sin and cos is both are same, minus 1 to 1. Domain also both are R. We have to substituting any real value for x, sin x, cos x. We have to take any real value for x, then it will be satisfied. Therefore, now we can write the range of the sin and cos are the minus 1 and 1. Okay students, this is today students. Please practice those questions today class. Okay, please write the exam well. Okay, all the best students. Thank you all.